Meanwhile, Akwaba, what frame Adjoa searching Mesro. Now was subscribing to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
DC has a political committee in their party, and whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Adia yadiya Jumama Ghana ni nano. Send this for the core now one political way committee in the case yanji way intuma. Even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Nasebi. And yes, what's a betting tax in yet, my boy? Into Oba, Ube ye free. I said the owner says, how will you free? Who have revenue out the bedding? Who the bed rule your man into no? Oh, shut up, a chicken on us. Now I'm saying, can you travel of Fondo Coco Pun was a jubilee house or no? Mama, so a bad and child time, Mr. The travel of Fondo because hey, and one of did you. Betting tax, and one year did, and I will say, Ube you betting tax now, then, every ho. Mikacho said this man has been handed the cheapest election ever because he didn't sell no message. On not just only 24 hours, he couldn't. What the boss say a few more somewhere ye Kenya. Say ye probia sabi ebusuya sembisi. Ana say ebusuya hu bika na ye pese ye kono hokojiska. Usually, it is the person who has been given custodian of the lands and the everything that the family has. That's what you say. And what is a BBC? As I said, the Ankayade Adiano Kessiana Shen and Sano, and a Sanko Uyano. But you have NDC telling you that even though they have ruled Ghana than any other political party, they are the only political party that has been able to produce 3 presidents for us. No political party in Ghana has produced 3 presidents. They had Rawlings, they had JDM, and they had John Dramani Mahama. 3. And they have the power in their hands for all these while. But isn't it shameful, say your Pagana glory days are, we shouldn't come to the NDC. It's when we are looking for Niama Papa, Ababua Ghana, a transform Ghana, we should not call NDC. Because almost, and I mean almost, every social intervention has been championed by the MPP. Unim dia yawo ho. NDC na ya party ya friend Social Democrats. But and Social Democrat Collins simply means to say, Yane ya jine and here for den. It took America until Obama came, they didn't have a health system that benefited everybody. When Obama brought the Affordable Care Act, that is when they started having what we call Obamacare, like they like to say it. And as much as they have tried to trash the Obamacare, they cannot cancel it. When Excellency Trump was on the debate, and they asked him, "You've been bastardizing Obamacare since I had the buy. What is your plan?" And he was honest. He said, "Right now, I don't have a plan, but we will put something together." That is what Trump said. He's not sure. But they kept bastardizing it. Young Famra Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah circle. Didn't we do all the politics we want to do with it? But today, don't we use it? Don't the MPP use it? Did Mahama take you to Bolibamboy? It's it's like Ghana's property. So why is it that when something goes wrong, NDC wants to stay out? Even projects they know nothing about, in Nkrumah projects, they want to claim it. Then when you tell them, present the particulars, they go and bring a fool like Kevin Taylor to sit there with his nose and his face buffoo. Since when did Ghana sing to this level? Say, Akoda Ketwebi to say, Basenteli, to make us a coalition. Now, or no order 5,000 men to meet us, and we have an IGP in Ghana. You guys are jokers in this country. Okay, Siana Felix one way, and Yamano ne yo, me no crenechie. Because a Ghana, you may be a June Ghana home, near June Ghana can't qua. Sabi, Rollins a croma, you die, you know. When Tunyanko baby say, I'm ordering 5,000 men, go to this coalition, go to this coalition center. Since when did we end there? And the stupid NDC has forgotten that a time will come, that table will turn. When the MPP was in power, I mean, some of them, you call them, they don't even pick up. Today, we are in opposition. And so would you be. But at the end of the day, Ube ruling, you know, what impact did you leave? Now, NDC people are telling us that, now, we are more, 5,000 men. Now, every time you see, say, EC, so baby, order them to go to where the EC is. And they forget and say, yes, maybe today it is benefiting the NDC. But tomorrow it would not. And I know these NDC people. Sometimes when I talk, and yes, come on, I have friends who are NDCs. The correct ones. But you see, this is their nature. Constitution currently, Constitution, when they were in power, the Constitution was good. Did you ever see them complain about Constitution? The moment they came outside of power and they were now being used, the same Constitution was being used for NDC. Yam Pene, Sadia, Yam for Oliver Nitriso, and a Sakwas Yampa for Ralph Nomono, Yamom, we read the Tramon, no Casa, we want a constitutional overthrow. Stupid, stupid, stupid political party. You have a child, your Constitution. No matter how bad it is, it has kept us for all these over 34 years. And then because of maybe just a little 4 years in opposition, you incite youth to overthrow the same baby, the same Constitution you ruled the country with. Are you normal? You are not normal. Are you a human? Maybe, but one with no feelings. Where is the patriotism? To the point where you're MP. When you are an MP, you are not an MP for NDC. Because the area where you at, the people there are the people you represent. So aside from you making laws, you represent the people. So when you go there and tell me, say, you would rather do NDC agenda, to the point where the other day, I was listening to the majority leader, Afenyo Markin, and I was so sad, say, NDC has a political committee in their party. And whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Send this for the core. Now, one political committee in the case, even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Nasebe, and yes, what's a betting tax in yet, my boy? Into Oba, Ube ye free. I said the owner says, how will you free? Who have revenue out the bedding? Who the bell rule your man into no? Oh, shut up, a chicken on us. Now I'm saying, can you a tram of Fondo Coco Pun was a jubilee house one? Mama.